welcome back again to my channel. So today, really quickly, I just kind of want to show you how you're able to upload mine or anybody's assets into Vroid for your model. It's going to be a really quick tutorial, so we're going to go ahead and get started and get it done. All right, this is going to be very easy, very quick. We're just gonna run through it really quickly. You should already know about Vroid and all that. This is not a tutorial for Vroid, which should be coming soon, but it's not out yet. This is literally just to help you import your downloaded content, your assets that you've gotten from me, from Booth, wherever, into Vroid and onto your model. So once you have Vroid open, you're going to select the model. Once it opens, you're going to go into the area that fits the textures that you're using. So if you downloaded irises, you're gonna go into the iris section. If you downloaded a shirt, you're going to go into tops. If you downloaded some things that go on top of the body, you're gonna make sure you go to the body texture. So you wanna make sure that you're matching up your textures. So we're gonna focus on importing an iris set because I literally just uploaded some new ones to my store. You should check them out, make sure you do. And we're pretty much going to insert, I'm gonna show you how to insert them now. We're gonna click on irises. We're gonna go to custom. You're going to click on the plus sign to give you a new one. I already have this saved, so you can ignore it. If it pops up, it's just telling you that whatever you've been working on hasn't been saved yet. If you would like to save it, press save. If you just want to go ahead and continue without saving it, then you would start editing without saving. So once I have that new texture on, I'm going to go to edit texture. I'm going to right click on the layer that has default design. I'm going to go to import. I'm going to find my file. Once I have the one that I want, I'm going to click it, press open, and it is going to import it into my model. And now I have it here and here, and that's it. Good job, guys. So that's it. Really simple, really easy. It should not take you very long in order to get your assets in. Now that you know how, you can use the same process for any asset, shoes, eyes, whatever. Any texture that you download off of, like I said, from me, Booth, Etsy, wherever, this is how you're going to upload it into Vroid. If you like this video, if it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe for other videos. I promise I will have another, I'm still working on the tutorial for the whole program where we go in depth on customizing and using the program. So be on the lookout for that. If you subscribe, you should get a notification and you won't miss it. So it's a win-win. Let's be friends. If you are not following me on social medias, you can follow me here. And until next time, babies, I hope that you are hydrating, drinking water, and taking care of yourself. You are loved, you are valued, and I appreciate you. And I will see you next time. Bye, babies.